Model MX392 and MX393 microphones. Features: flat frequency response across the vocal range for uncolored sound, interchangeable cardioid, supercardioid, and omnidirectional cartridges that provide choices for applications. Sleek, low-profile design for unobtrusive appearance. Model variations: MX392 models. Surface mount microphone. Includes programmable membrane on or off switch, logic input or output terminals, an on or off indicator LED, screw terminal connections, and attached unterminated cable. Overview: Shure Microflex MX300 series microphones are surface-mounted electric condenser microphones designed primarily for mounting on conference tables, stage floors, and lecterns. Their high sensitivity and wide frequency range make them especially suitable for picking up speech and vocals in sound reinforcement and recording applications. Interchangeable cartridges provide the installer with greater flexibility and make it possible to easily reconfigure microphone coverage as the need arises. The MX392 and MX393 models include an internal preamplifier. MX300 series microphones take advantage of the principle that a barrier or boundary, the sound pressure level doubles. When placed near a sufficiently large boundary surface, the microphone has 6 dB higher sensitivity and approximately 3 dB greater direct-to-reverberant sound ratio. Balanced transformerless output for increased immunity to noise over long cable runs. Low susceptibility to electromagnetic hum and RFI. Programmable on or off switch and LED on or off indicator. Logic input or output terminals for remote control or use with automatic mixers. MX392 models only. MX393 models. Surface mount microphone. Includes a programmable membrane on or off switch, an on or off indicator LED, and a miniature 4-pin connector.